guys! Wait.
Yung password ko ng email ko, ilagay ko na.
Okay. My dead body, my body, guys. I am the moon. Okay.
Nag-change pass ka na, hindi yan yung password mo. Ano nakasave dyan, iba?
Yan nga, yun. Pag nagbukas ako, yan yung password ko.
Diba? Password na lang.
Oh, we broke. Nah, he's on up. What the heck? What the heck is that? The Bucky?
Reset password ka na lang.
The BBB.
Pwede yun, pwede lang i-password ko.
I'm at the heaven.
Hindi makalimutin ako na, kaya nga birthday ko ang birthday na natin ka para di ako kalimutan.
Stop him. No. Hey, baby. My friend in the world died. Help.
Ay, hindi.
Body, I hate you. My whole body.
Yun yung maya ako.
Oh, nah, I'm a dead demon. Demon, you are a demon. Nah. Nah. Papi to me. What? I am bad.
Pero yung password ko pag mag-open ako,
I like you.
ha?
Oh my God, baby! I am in the world. Oh, there's my demon. You are a demon.
Ayun yung kanina ayaw din.
Yep. And then,
Wala.
cancel.
Yun yung kanina.
Bye-bye.
Dalawa yung kanina.
Wala nga, i-reset mo na nga.